Hi students! You can float easily in the seawater but not in a swimming pool. Do you know why? Come on, I will explain you with a simple and interesting science experiment. For this experiment, you need 3 glass tumblers, 3 lemons, water and some salt. First, take plain water in a glass. Place a lemon on the water surface. You can see the lemon is sinking in water. Now, take another glass of water and add some spoons of salt. Stir it well. And keep a lemon on the water surface. You can see the lemon is floating in salt water. Now, take another glass of water and add some salt. Mix it well and keep a lemon on the water surface. See, the lemon is floating. And pour some normal water. See, the lemon is sinking. So see the differences? The reason behind this is density. Density is the measurement of how tightly or loosely a substance is packed. Solid substances have high density when compared with liquids. Similarly, air has low density than water. In the same way, plain water is less dense than salt water. And that's why you can easily float in the seawater but not in swimming pool. Do this experiment by yourself and learn the density of different substances. Thank you.